See, I think for me, I've always, I think as an actor, cameras, you see your cameras are getting more like high-D, there's more details getting captured. So I've seen the kind of technology that's come in with the cameras. It's nice to see that even aesthetically, there's technologies coming up to help people have skin that's going to look flawless. Then K-beauty, they've kind of I always felt I couldn't get myself to do K-beauty because it's too many steps. It's multi-step, which I think it's okay if you're only doing that.
It'll take 5 to 6 hours. Time.
It does. It takes so long if you have to do K-beauty. But what I really love about what WeCare has done is that they have researched what works for Indian skin tone. A lot of the equipment works for Caucasian skin tone. It's only for fair skins that all the research is done on. So they spent, I think, a good 8 months before they decided what equipments you can bring to our country that suits their clientele. And that makes me feel a lot more confident because I know that the lasers are going to be done by not just a doctor that they've hired, but also the machines are doing all the scanning. AI has come with technology. There's also so much progress made in, the kind of detailing that it gives you. I just saw a machine now that tells you just not with the blood report, but just with 4 different points on your hand, it tells you your iron content and things that you have to draw blood in before. So I think it's amazing. The AI is used, technology is used to kind of really know which part of your face needs more moisture, what treatments would be working for that, and they have all the treatments that you could ever possibly need to have flawless skin. And they also, been established with hair and all things aesthetic. So I think for me, it's very encouraging that there's a clinic that puts in a lot of research for their own clientele, and it's not just bringing a random equipment, and it's all FDA approved. So that is, very comforting as well.